launch the YouTube app, youtube.com. Go to your profile picture there at the top right hand corner. YouTube Studio. This is an already uploaded video. Click on content. This is for uploaded videos. If you want to change the thumbnail or there was no thumbnail before, you can click on those pencil icon. Click on the pencil icon. These are already uploaded videos. If you want to change the thumbnail or add thumbnail, music, and screen, click on the pencil icon. This is it. Scroll down. Look at the thumbnail. It has thumbnail already. If I want to change it, I will click on those three dots and click change or download a new one. Click change to change it or download. You can see where the mouse is hovering. This is for end screen and cards. If I want to add end screen, I will click on the pencil icon. This is for end screen. You can import from latest video. You can add one video and one subscribe button and click import from video. You can import from video. When you are done, click save. You can see where the mouse is hovering. Click save. This is for cards. Select a type of card to begin. Click on the plus sign for video, playlist, or channel. When you are done, click save. Don't forget, click save. You can see where the mouse is hovering. This is a job I already did. I don't want to make any save. I don't want to save any changes. This is for add music. You can see the music sign there. Click on the plus sign. Add a track. This is if you want to add music to already uploaded video. You click on that sign there, that plus sign, and these are free music. See where the mouse is hovering. These music are free. You don't need any attribution. You can select from there and click add. See, there are so many of them. click add, and it will be added to your video. When you are done, click save. You can lower the volume of the music. When you are done, click save. See where the mouse is hovering? Click save to save the changes. I don't want to change anything, just using this for illustration purposes. So now, let me illustrate how to do this with a new video. Select file. A box will pop up, and I selected from my system. I selected a video I already have from my system. This is it. This is a new video. The first illustration is with an already uploaded video. This is a new video that is uploading now. All these things here, I added them in my upload default. So anytime I'm uploading, all these defaults will appear. I don't need to resize them anymore. You can do that if you have not. You click all, you add all your social media links, so that whenever you upload a new video, you don't have to add them again. They appear automatically. You just have to add some changes to them. This is my Facebook group. This is my social media links and my email. They were in my upload default. So now the video is uploading. This is where to add thumbnail. See where the mouse is hovering. This is where you click a pop-up box. You choose from the thumbnails you have on your system and upload. You can see the video is uploading. Click on upload thumbnail and choose from your system. The video is still uploading. If you want to copy your video link, you can see it by the right hand side here. This is where you will click and copy your video link. This is one bonus. You can see the thumbnail is uploaded now. You just click on upload thumbnail and select from your system. If you want to change it, you click on those three dots there, change or remove it. This is where you add playlists to your videos to help viewers discover your content faster. These are the ones I already have. You can create a new one and click done. See where the mouse is hovering. This is part of the bonus. This is the bonus. How to create playlists. You have to select if this video is meant for kids or not. If it is meant for kids, you check that box. No, it's not meant for kids, you check the box. This is a bonus. This is show more. This is where you add your paid promotion and tags. If you have any tags for your video, this is where you add them. You separate them with a comma. Just put comma and continue typing. This is language and caption certification, license and distribution. All these things are bonuses. This is where you add your video to a category so that people can find them easily. These are bonus classes. Video elements. You have to choose if it is meant for kids. You can say that it's compulsory. You must choose. You must select whether it is meant for kids or not. Video elements. This is where you add your end screen and cards. If you are uploading the video from scratch, but if you already have it, this is where you import from video and add. However, if you already have the video in your system, if you've already uploaded it, I've already illustrated that. This is for uploading a new video. For add cards, this is where you click add. Checks. YouTube will still check it for copyright to make sure that the video, to check if the video contains any copyright content. The video is still uploading, 63%. We will wait patiently. This is for visibility. Save or publish. Are you saving this work or are you publishing it private? Only you and people you choose can watch your videos. If you choose private, unlisted, anyone with the video link can watch it. Public, it means everyone can watch your video. You can schedule the video to be published at a later time. You can set an instant premiere if you want, or you can schedule a time. You select a date to make your video public. Depends on what you want. I wouldn't be publishing this video because it's just for tutorial purposes, so I'll be clicking on private. I don't want to publish it. So these are bonus classes. Still uploading, 74%. This is your video link. If you want to copy the link to this video, this is where you do it. Copy it and share to your friends, family, colleagues, social media handle. This is where you copy it. Still uploading, 84%. This is for end screen. If you want to add end screen, you can add one video and one subscribe button, or one playlist and one subscribe button. There are other options: one video and one subscribe button, one video and one playlist. You can adjust them. Just click and drag. export it from your video and click save. I'm discarding it because I don't want to save it. This is for add cards. You can select a type of card to begin by clicking that plus sign. You can add playlist and channel. When you are done, click save. Don't forget to save what you did. I'm discarding it. It's been uploaded, checking complete, no issues found. This is how to upload a video. Check complete, no issues found. This video has been uploaded. Checks visibility, so I will click next. No issues, no copyright issues found. The checks are complete. Next. When you are done, you click save. If you are publishing immediately, it will be published. If it is private, I'm clicking private because I don't want to publish it. You can choose whichever one you want. If you want to schedule it for a later time, fine. Then click save. This video is only visible to me because it is private. Look at it here. It is private. All my other videos are public because I don't want to publish it. That is why I choose private. If you want to publish it, you can click public, or you can schedule it for whenever you